US dollar index this week didn't move too much outside of the start of the week. We can see that the week has started here at this price level, and then price tried to reach higher price level, then it went back down, tried to reach lower side and reach it or demand zone around 102.85, and then return back up. So we can see that the price is jumping between these two price levels, which is 103.65 and on the lower side 103.06. So it's very hard for the price to make a breakout to the upside or the downside, and that means that bulls that are here are not allowing the price to fall down, but we can see that there is no strength enough from the bulls to push the price even higher, trying to reach this supply zone where the sellers are waiting. On the weekly time frame, we can see we have this week bullish candle again, which means the price is trying to reach higher price level. So based on this one, we can see that the price has made again higher price level compared to the price on the previous week. So the price is pushing up and up, reaching higher price levels. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price is bouncing from this great support level, which is a demand zone, and the price is trying to reach higher price level, which means the target would be around this one, which is 104.22. This is the target on the monthly time frame, but we can see that first resistance level is this one here around 103.40. where the price will need to make a move to go above and then to reach this area here. This is on the monthly time frame, where we have 3 more days until this month ends next week. So we'll see what happens, but much more clearly information we will have on the daily time frame. As it looks right now, on here, very critical level for the price is this one here, 104.22 on the monthly time frame. When the price reaches this area, most of the time we can see in the past the price bounces back down. So I'm expecting also the same scenario where the price reaches this supply zone. On the weekly time frame, we can see after the price reaches this area here, but the price bounces back down. In the past, when the price was rising in value, when the price reached this 104.22, the price returned back down 102.81. So in the case here, the same scenario. In the case here, same scenario. The price retraces back down. So this is what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame. When the price reaches 104.22 on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting to fall down if the price doesn't make a breakout to the upside. For now, as it looks, everything looks bullish. I'm expecting the price to rise in value still, to reach this area, and then we'll see what happens. If the price goes down and closes below, which means below 103.08, this area here, the price will fall down even more, going down around 102.44. And this is everything visible here. This is the area 103.17. If the price goes down, this will mean that the price will reach an area here, which is 102.70, and also the lower side 102.66. Area here, which is around the 104.22, is a supply zone, and we can see it's very hard for the price to make a breakout to the upside. The price on the daily time frame, we can see, has tried to reach higher price levels, but there was no enough strength when the price was falling falling down. And that means when the price reaches here price level, this area demand zone, I'm expecting that the price will bounce back down and reach to 103.37 and then 103.17. So this is the area what I'm expecting. Until the price makes a breakout outside of this range area, I'm still open to see the price going up or down anyway, but on the weekly time frame and also on the monthly time frame, everything suggesting that the price will reach this area here this month. So we will see. Will that happen in the next 3 days, next week, and will the price make a breakout to the downside, or it will stay inside the range area? If that happens, if the price reaches this area here, or the price bouncing back down, closing down, making a breakout to the downside, I will mention that inside the trading community, where I share the daily changes on the market if something happens, where I'm sharing also what is the potential target after the price makes a move from this range area, for example, or price makes a breakout to the upside or to the downside. If you would like to check that and also be notified when I make the analysis and also when I check the market and see some kind of a movement, I will share that inside trading community, where the link will be below in the description. So if you would like to check that, feel free. That's all for today, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.